Good morning. I am Jayapayas. Today let us continue the first chapter of second PUC, that is starting by second problem. I will read the first one. I read first the problem. Following are the balance sheet and receipts and payments account of Garuda Gurudeva Education Trust Tumkur. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2017, liability side. Outstanding expenses, rupees 5,000. It belongs to the previous year, and in the recent payments account, the same rupees 2016-17 5,000 is given. Should not be recorded. Bank loan, with the current liability, will be shown on the balance sheet at the liability side. Capital fund, it is also liability, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading capital fund. Asset side, cash in hand, it belongs to the previous year, should be ignored. Furniture, it is a fixed asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the assets under the heading fixed assets. Building, it is also fixed asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading fixed assets. Sports materials, it is the current asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset at the asset side. Library book, it is also current asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading current asset. Come to the receipts and payments account. Let me read it. Receipts and payments account for the end date 31/3/2018, that is current year, debit side. Balance brought down 15,000, should be ignored, should not be recorded. Substitution, there are two items. One is 2017-18, 45,000, it belongs to the current year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account at the credit side. On that there is one adjustment, therefore it will be shown in the inner column. 2018-19 belong to the next year, therefore it will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side in current liabilities. Entrance fees, there is one adjustment. What it is? 50% entrance should be capitalized. Total amount is 8,000, 50% is equal to 4,000. 4,000 credited to income and expenditure account, and the remaining 4,000 added to the capital fund. Donation, on this donation there is one adjustment. What it is? 100% of the donation should be capitalized. This 100% is equal to 12,000 added to the capital fund. Interest, it is the revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account, credit side. Expense 2016-17 belongs to the previous year. Rupees 5,000 should be ignored, should not be recorded because they are given separately. 2017-18 belongs to the current year. It will be debited to income and expenditure account because it is a revenue expenditure. Printing and stationery, it is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Salary, it is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Purchase of book, it is a current asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset, addition to the current asset, addition to the library books. Bank loan paid, it is the amount payment of bank loan. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liability, deduction out of the bank loan. Next one, substitution to newspaper. It is the current year revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Last term balance carried on. It is the cash balance of the current year. At the end of the year, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Come to the adjustment. Substitution, outstanding rupees 5,000 for the current year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as addition to the substitution, and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Salary prepaid rupees 2,500. It is for next year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as deduction out of the salary, and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Number 4, depreciate building by 10%. Total amount of building is rupees 70,000. 10% is equal to 7,000. 7,000 will be shown in the balance sheet as deduction out of the building, and the same will be debited to income and expenditure account. Now let us draw column. And first one is Gurudeva. Heading is Gurudeva Education Trust Tumkur. Under that heading is income and expenditure account for their end date 31/3/2018. Debit side, credit side. And the debit side subheading is expenditure, rupees, income, rupees. Come to the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Liability side, rupees. Asset side, rupees. You should prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet simultaneously so that we can save the time. And before that, you should be ready with the specimen of the balance sheet so that we can save the time. Okay? And at the liability side, first capital fund. Under that, as on 1/4/17, we have to leave 2 or 3 lines because there are some adjustments. Second, current liabilities, asset side, fixed asset side, we have to leave 2 or 3 lines because there are 2 or 3 items. Second, investment. There is no investment item in this problem, therefore outcome nil. Third, current asset. Now let us start the solution. Outstanding office expense, it belongs to the previous year, and in the recent payments account 2016-17 5,000 given separately, therefore should be ignored. Bank loan 35,000, it will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liabilities. Number 1, bank loan. Inner column 35,000 because there is one adjustment. Next, capital fund 1,20,000. It is as on 1/4/17. We have to show this item in the inner column 1,20,000 because there is adjustment. Asset side, cash in hand should be ignored because it belongs to the previous year. Furniture 25,000. It is a fixed assets. It will be shown under the heading fixed asset. Furniture. On the furniture, no adjustment, therefore it goes to outer column. 25,000. Building 70,000. It is also fixed assets. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading fixed assets. And there is one adjustment, therefore we have to show the amount in the inner column. Next, sports materials. It is a current asset. You have to show this item under the heading current asset. First one, sports materials. On this, there is no adjustment. You have to show amount in the outer column. Next, library book. It is also current asset. You have to show under the heading current asset. Library books. There is one adjustment. You have to show this item in the inner column. Next one, recent payments account. Debit side, first item, 2 balance brought down. It belongs to the previous year, should be ignored. Subscription, how much? 2017-18, 45,000. On this 45,000, there is one adjustment. You have to show that item in the inner column. $45,000 inner column. Then 2018-19 return to the next year. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side under the heading current liabilities. Subscription received in advance in bracket 2019 rupees 5,000. Entrance fees 8,000. On that there is one adjustment. What it is? 50% of the entrance fee should be capitalized. Therefore, we have to show in the inner column by entrance fee. Inner column 8,000. Let me touch the adjustment afterwards. Then donation 12,000. What the adjustment? 100% of the donation should be capitalized. Therefore, the same amount to be added to the capital fund. And number 1. Donation. How much? 12,000. Interest. It is the revenue income credited to income and expenditure account. Interest, outer column 5,000. Come to the credit side. Expenses 2016-17 rupees 5,000. It belongs to the previous year, should be ignored. 2017-18, it belongs to the current year, should be debited to income and expenditure account. Office expenses. There is no adjustment, therefore, amount will be put in the outer column. You have to write in bracket 2017-18. Here also in bracket 2017-18. Printing and postage expense. It is also an expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Printing and postage expenses. How much? 600 outer column. Salary. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Salary 25,000. On that there is one adjustment. You have to show the amount in the inner column. Purchase of book. It is the addition to the library book. It is being the current asset should be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Therefore, add additions for the year. How much? 10,000. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40,000. It will be shown in the outer column. Bank loan repaid. This rupees 5,000 will be shown in the balance sheet. A deduction of the bank loan. Less repaid. How much? 5,000. Difference outer column 30,000. Substitution to newspaper 600. It is the revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. So, substitution to newspaper. How much? 600. Last one balance. How much? 26,800. It is the current year cash balance at the end of the year. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Cash balance. How much? 26,800. And now come to adjustment. Substitution the outstanding 5,000. It belongs to the current year. It will be shown in the instant payments account. Add addition to the subscription and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. And outstanding for 2018 or 2017-18. How much? 5,000. Outer column 50,000. In the balance sheet, under the heading current asset, outstanding subscription for 2017-18. How much? 5,000 outer column. Capitalize 50% of the entrance fee. Total entrance fee is 8,000. 50% is equal to 4,000. This 4,000 will be shown in the income and expenditure account as deduction of the entrance fees. Less 50% capitalized is equal to 4,000. Outer column 4,000. Then this 4,000 added to the capital fund. And number 2, entrance fees. 4,000. 100% donation already over. Depreciate building by 10%. Total building amount is 70,000. 10% equal to 7,000. Less depreciation 10% is equal to 7,000. Difference 63,000 outer column. This 7,000 debited to income and expenditure account. So depreciation on building 7,000 outer column. And second adjustment, salary prepaid 2,500 will be shown a deduction out of the salary because it belongs to the next year. Less prepaid salary. How much? 2,500. Difference 22,500 outer column. This 2,500 will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading current asset. Prepaid salary. Outer column 2,500. Now you have to close the account and you have to find out the difference. Income and expenditure account in this problem showing the more total at the credit side. And difference is called surplus. And we have to close and find out the total of this one and difference also. Total is 59,000. And the difference is 11,300. This 11,300 will be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the capital fund. 3. Surplus 11,300. The total is 1,47,300. Then after that, we have to find out the total of the balance sheet. Now let us see 1,82,300. We have to use the term total at both sides. Yes, all the items are over, 100% perfect. Thank you. Let's continue tomorrow.